So now we will see another tool. So in this drop down we also have create profile from file. So we need to create the file first. So we are going to create a notepad file that we can able to use and we can able to get our profile. So for that we should open Excel sheet, and later we must have two columns. First column is like our chainage and second column is our elevations. So for example, I am having an interval of 50-50 like that. So I'm just going to have something like this, and then some elevation. So like this, after entering all those values, we can just save as. So we can just go for file name, and then in save as type we should select text tab delimited. So we are going to create a text file with the tab delimited. So save. So already exists. So replace. Okay. Now we can able to see that file we have created. Just open. This is what our file looks like. But here we have a tab in between. So what we can do means we can just go for format. We can just go for edit and then replace. And here we must select the tab. Control C and then Control V. We have tab here and we are going to replace with the space. So replace all. See, we got replaced, and I'm just going for file save and then save. So process cannot access the file because it is in another program. So now I'm just going to save this. Save. Do you want to keep the workbook in this format? No. So I'm just going to save as a Excel workbook, this one. So close it. Now you save it and close it. Now what I'm going to do means, like, I'm just going to convert this AutoCAD line to Civil 3D alignment. So for that, alignment from objects, so select that and then put enter and then put enter. Now we can just go for label major and minor only and then click OK. See, now we got alignment. See, this alignment's having lots of chain edges. See, until it is having 1160. Now once you created the alignment, the quick profile gone, because it is just like a quick profile. We are going to create a profile based on our file. So for that, I'm just going for profile and then create profile from file, and you need to select that book 1 text format file. Click open. Now we can just go for selecting the alignment. So this alignment 3, and then profile style basic. Profile label set, we can just go for complete label set and click OK. See, now number of lines processed is 26. Now we have created our profile, but we can't able to see here. So to display our profile here, we can just go for profile view, create profile view. So just to click create profile view and then select profile view origin, select. Now we are getting the profile based on our inputs in the text file. See, now we have this clippings also. So select this and then we can just go for edit profile view style. So this clipping, highest profile, this kind of things only applicable only for this kind of profile. For quick profile it won't. See, now the clipping is not there. If you want, you can just go for, and now I'm just going for graph. So like this we can able to have our profile. So this is what we have here, create profile from file. So this is another method of creating our profile.